ways. There's a table, and also you could use the seat itself at the table. So they have their own little table. The table is also reversible. You can do Legos on this side, so it becomes an activity table on this side. Also, if you take this board off altogether, you can take your high chair and click it down into the table to make a full-size high chair. You can also take this back off take your legs off put the small feet on After you have the small feet on, you take your included straps, attach them